Put your shirt on it to supersize and grow your business. I know that's a skirt, but that's the best I could do with this toy this morning. I didn't have a shirt for her. Her shirt's already built on. Anyway, it's one of my granddaughter's toys, my oldest granddaughter's toys. Pretty soon I'm going to have 3 granddaughters. I'm really excited. So today, this expression, this idiom, with respect to confidence, is put your shirt on something. Now, this is a British idiom. I have never heard this before. I've honestly never heard this. I've heard keep your shirt on, and all other different versions of shirt idioms, but this is a new one to me. It's from Britain, and it means one of a couple of things. It means to bet or risk everything on something, which by extension then infers that you're absolutely certain something is going to happen. If you bet everything on something, that means you're pretty confident and positive and certain that that thing will happen. So this is from the mid-1800s. It actually appeared in print in 1894 in a thing, I guess, an advertising newspaper called Geelong or something. But it means to invest, to bet, to have certainty about something. And certainty gives us confidence, right? So what does this mean to me? Now that I've heard this expression, how do I interpret this with respect to growing and building and supersizing my business or helping other people to do the same thing? Number one, it reminds us to take responsibility and ownership for the business that we're creating. Not only for our lives and how we show up in the world, but how our business shows up in the world and what it is here to do. I say make the world a better place, but that's up to each and every one of us to decide whether our business is here to make the world a better place or not. It means that we commit to something, that we claim it as our own, and that means we're responsible for it and we're going to take care of it. We're going to make sure it happens and succeeds, and that we create the business that we want no matter what, because life is going to continue to get in the way. Things are going to challenge us. Right now there's economic challenges and legal challenges and regulatory challenges and all different types of challenges, and inflation challenges, right, to our businesses and our livelihood and our lives and what it is that we're creating in the world. It also reminds me, put your shirt on something, that we want to claim it as our own in terms of our brand, how we name it, that we want to make sure we're consistent and showing up in a way that people recognize and understand. They know, hey, yeah, that's my brand, that's my logo, that's my shirt. People know it's our business that we're talking about. So let's know, have you heard this idiom or expression? New one for me. And if so, how have you seen it used in your life, and how does it apply to your business? Share in the comments below, and I will be with you tomorrow with another confidence-related idiom for the rest of this month. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow.